Hello, this is Tom Sillis, wetcrow.com, WETCROW. It's like wet as in wet sponge and crows in black crow, wetcrow.com. We're a platform for, we do pre-defined services, and we have the appointments that the customer picks, and then they book the service. In this case, we're talking about assemble furniture jobs. Assemble Furniture Jobs USA earns $7.50 a day. Start tomorrow, and that's typically what you make if you assemble furniture. That's all you do. I mean, we predefine the services. They're all listed. We show the type of furniture. It could be IKEA, it could be Wayfair, it could be Home Depot, it could be anything. Okay, and you basically go there, assemble it. Make sure you clean up after yourself. We train you on that. And that's pretty much it. It's a constant flow of business. You keep going out there and doing business, installing, assembling furniture. It takes you about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do each job. You'll do you can do about 5-6 jobs a day. So that's where the $7.50 comes from. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to our video, and please like this video. We have a lot of work available. We'll keep you busy. You don't want to be advertising Craigslist because you're wasting our time. You're wasting your time. You're not going to make any money. We train you because most handymen, the biggest problem is they don't answer the phone, and they lose 80% of their business because the customer not going to wait. They're not going to leave you 80% will not leave you a voicemail. They'll call somebody else. That's the fact. So please understand that. And we also have other ways you can make money, which we have other videos you can watch. If you don't use Wetcrow, there's other ways you can use door hangers and all that to get customers in the door. Don't use Craigslist. And I have other videos that tell you what not to do. So subscribe to the channel, look at the other videos, and learn. You'll learn a lot. You'll be a much better handyman. And make sure you clean up after yourself. That's the biggie. Okay? Thank you very much. We'll talk to you again. Have a great week.